Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 23rd to the 29th, the last week of summer. Make the most of it and get out to Walgreens and do a couple of these deals because they're absolutely fantastic. And please like and hype this video for these cute little friends. It would really help out the channel in the video. But furthermore, guys, look at the absolute cuteness overload on Halloween over at Walgreens using Register Rewards or Walgreens Cash for some of these cutie pies. Still haven't seen the Gilmore Girls display yet. I think it's going to be at larger stores, but some of this stuff, I mean, it's very, very cute. Okay, so let's get right back into it. We have a lot of boosters. A 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G. Is it going to be beauty? Is it going to be skincare? Or is it going to be Tide? We'll have to wait until Sunday to see how that one maps out. I don't have an overall booster like a spend 25 to get 5 back or something like that. I haven't seen it in the last couple of weeks, but a lot of these P&G ones, very, very similar, like the 4 back when you buy 4 deodorants, the 3 back or 5 back when you buy 3 P&G body wash, all the regular suspects. But that 15 back when you spend 45, that's going to be interesting. Is it going to be dental? Is it going to be Tide? Is it going to be beauty care? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But it's going to be a good one. Hopefully we get some high value coupons to stack with it as well. Also have this curbside, a 10 off 50 using the code AUG10. They're really trying to push the back to school over at Walgreens. And when you can save $10 on a $50 purchase, that it's just magic any way you stack it. Also, class, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday, the 23rd. As it's the final week of summer or getting close to it, I'm pretty sure that we're going to get more photo prints for free. So when I get those codes, I will be sharing them your way, but usually they give us a couple around Memorial Day, you know, your last print of summer and so on and so forth. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is Scott. Now, we had 2 off of 2 digital coupons. Those expired on Saturday, but buying 4 of them on a buy one get one 50% off will be $15. A $2 register, $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 4. Pardon me. So grabbing 4 of them, you can grab 4 toilet papers if you wish. You don't have to get 2 of each. That would be $15. Getting back $2 in Walgreens cash, it makes it $13 for 4 or $3.25 per pack of paper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, if you might have a register reward that's not on the same offer, so you don't have like, you know, I don't know, $2 on Scott, which you probably won't have, but like the $4 for the OGX or the $5 for the Colgate, you can absolutely throw these into your last transaction and still get the Walgreens cash or another register reward to print as long as it's not on the same promotion. And that's for all the new shoppers that are always asking that question. The next deal that we have is on the Batiste dry shampoo. We're going to get a $2 off digital coupon, which is super exciting. There are some that are $12.49, and they're on a promotion of buy one, get one free. So for this deal, you're going to grab 2 of the cheaper ones. I mean, they have some that are $17. Man, that is expensive stuff. So grabbing 2 of the cheaper ones, remember, buy one, get one for free. So it'll be $12.49. Subtracting your $2 coupon, you're paying $10.49 for the 2 or $5.24 per. Check IBOTTA and hang on to your receipt because sometimes rebates float in and float out for this specific product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal we're looking at is the Angel Soft. When you buy 3, you get back a $3 register reward, and we have $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. And they are 2 for $9, so grabbing 3 of them, it's going to be $13.50. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward. It makes it $9 for the 3 or $3 per bag of Angel Soft. And they're the 6 really large rolls. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster as well. Our friend Pantene at $5.49. We're going to grab 2 of them. I believe we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and a $1 reward when you buy 2. That's very, very generous. And just to give you a peek, this is the coupon that's attaching to the $5.49 shampoos. So make sure you have it loaded. It doesn't expire till the following Saturday. So grabbing 2 of these at $5.49, it's $10.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $6.98, getting back $1 register reward, making it $5.98 for 2 or $2.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Are the really large Dove body washes. It's the one with the pump on the top. They're $10 each. I think the bar soap will be $11. $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these large Doves, it's going to be $20 at $10 per unit. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $12 for the 2 or $6 per. Remember, Fetch Rewards has a larger rebate. I think it's spend $40 on Dove, get back like $12. So photograph your receipt to that wonderful app. The Tresemme deal is still here this week. We're looking for the $6 bottles. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these, friends, it's going to be $12. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you want to use a register reward, say from another deal, such as the razor deal that was providing that wonderful $8 register reward, that would be a great way to roll from A to B. Okay, now we're looking at the puffs for $6.99. See how it says up to $2 off? If we get a $2 digital coupon, $6.99 subtracting 2, it's going to be $4.99. So I know a lot of parents have to buy this specific product for back to school. So not a bad little deal, especially if you can use a register reward also and stack it on top of it. The 2 for $23 for the Easy Ups with a 3 off of 2 coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these bags is going to be exactly $23. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $20. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $16 for the 2 or $8 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that's back this week is the Axe body wash. Buy one, get one 50% off. And it's typically like $5.99. So 2 of them is $8 and some change, but we have that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, friends, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per. If you're doing this deal with no paper booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. Colgate deal is still here for $5.50 to buy 2 to get back a $5 register reward. We have a $2.50 off of a brush and a $2.50 off of a paste. Grabbing 1 of each, the fancier ones, it's $11. Subtracting 2 $2.50 coupons, that's 5 off. You're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Olay, if you want to grab a mix and match like a ribbons, a regular, and a bar soap, that'll be $24. We have a 5 off of 3 coupon. And over on IBOTTA, if these rebates are still there on Sunday, you're getting $4.50 back from that wonderful app. Grabbing an assortment, remember it's a mix, it's going to be $24. Subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $19. Get back one $5 register reward and $4.50 back from IBOTTA if those rebates are still there, making it $9.50 for the 3 or $3.16 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you want to do the deal and the IBOTTA rebates are gone, hang on to your receipt for up to a week post because those rebates might repopulate in the IBOTTA app, which they sometimes do if they just decide to vanish. Here's another cheap deal on paper products this week. Grabbing 2 of these for $3.49, you're getting back a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 Bounties Essentials for $6.98. You will pay that or use register reward. Sorry, there's no coupons to go with this product. Getting back a $2 register reward. It's $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit after the register reward. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal is still ongoing. If you want to grab 2 razors for $9.99, I think those $8.99s are probably cleared out of your store. $8 reward when you buy 2. And a lot of us had a 5 off and a 3 off coupon. So grabbing 2 of the $9.99 razors, it's $19.98. subtracting a $5 and a $3 digital, you're paying $11.98, getting back an $8 register reward, making it $3.98 for the two or $1.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. OGX, ongoing deal from last week to this week. If you did not do this deal, we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these friends, it's $14. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 6 for 2 or $3 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. OGX, a fancier line. We never see them for $7, so definitely stock up if you have interest in this. And the Dove shampoo, again, a repeat from last week to this week at $5. $4 reward when you buy 2 with the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $10. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's talk very quickly about some honorable mentions. The first one goes to the 3 for $7.49 on the Arm & Hammer Laundry Care. So that makes it like $2.49 per. The week previous, we were getting them for $1.49. But if this is your favorite thing and you have like an $8 register reward burning a hole in your pocket, possibly a deal for you. We also have the buy 2, get 2 for free on these sodies. Now, let you guys know that these 12 packs are usually not on this promotion, but with Labor Day right around the corner, they're really trying to get you to buy these awesome drinks for these price points. So just be mindful. This might be the week to stock up because we're not going to see this price until probably the holidays like Thanksgiving or maybe like Halloween. They'll offer it for 1 week. And it's back again, the Walgreens food storage bags that will be 93 cents per box of 20. Very similar to Ziploc. They're great food storage bag, and it's definitely the week to stock up at 93 cents each. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.